In this video, we're going to go through how to set up email alerts whenever a file is modified or deleted from your team. So in this example, I'll be using one of my test teams here. And I need to go to www.office.com, click on the 9 dots next to Office 365, and then click on Power Automate. From there, I can click on to Create, and I want to choose an automated flow. And from here, we can either start to populate everything, but I'm going to click on Skip. So our first thing is a trigger that we're looking for. So if we click on or start to search for SharePoint, we've got a particular trigger that is called when a file is created or modified, properties only. So we click onto that, and we need to choose a site address. So if we click on the drop down, this should have all of the teams that I'm in, or a subset of them. So there's my technology adoption team there. If I can't find my team, I can enter in a custom value and then provide the link. So we want technology adoption team. And then it's asking what library do we want this trigger to be on? And we want it to be on documents. So any file within that team. We can go further down into the folder, but in this example, I want everything to trigger a notification. Then we click on to new step. And this time we want to send an email. So we'll go to send an email V2. And because I want an email to be sent to me, I can type in my email address here. I need to provide a subject. And I'll just fix this up. And then I need to provide a body. So in one I've done previously, I can choose from a list of items here. So if I choose name, this is the name of the file. So I've got name, created or modified by, and then I can find, should be one called modified name, modified by display name, like that. And just to make it look a bit pretty, I generally put it into inverted commas. Okay. And then under show advanced options, I like to set the importance to normal. And then at the top, we just give it a name. So this could be created or modified alert. And then I click on to save. Now, when I go back into that team, I'll put a new file here. So we'll click onto files and I'll just create a new one. Going back into that particular flow now, if I go back, and we'll just refresh that. It took a few moments, but when I refreshed, I got this one, this run history here. So if I click onto that, I can see it's succeeded. So it's gone ahead and it's sent an email. So I can see this is a test created or modified by Cindy. So we'll give that a few moments and I should receive an email with that notification. And there's this email. So I received an email from myself. So this is a test, the file name created or modified by myself there. So every time somebody goes ahead and creates or modifies a file, I'll get an alert for that. So that's all very well and good for new or modified files. If you want to do one for deleted files, we have to create a whole new one. And this time we will use when a file is deleted. And it's exactly the same as the one that we just did.